the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking about the appointment of the new police commissioner, Dr. Blake. This video wasn't going to drop till Tuesday morning. I say I can't make Monday past, I'm gonna drop a video because I have to shout out another Nigel. Nigel Walford. Today on Nigel's birthday, the 18th of March. Happy birthday, Nigel. Happy Nigel Day. To the people who used to support Nigel platform. Couldn't make the day pass, I wanna shout him out. Them say, look YouTuber, you go. You're not stop talking. No, we're not stop talking about that. Some names we don't stop talking about. Some cases, we have to constantly reminding about them. We're not gonna stop hearing the name Nigel Walford. So that bother you, don't let the door hit you on the way out. You're not gonna stop hearing me talk about Jasmine Dean. If that bothers you, don't let the door hit you on the way out. You're not gonna stop hearing about Charmin Ratchet and Joel Lynch. And let's not gonna stop hearing about it. So either get used to it, or as me say, don't let the door hit you on the way out. I'm sure Vulture Squad would love to have you. But Nigel, our youth today would have been his birthday. Big up Nigel family in with them there. Nigel Walford, Journalist of the Year, gone but not forgotten. People ask that, where do you think about the commissioner? I'm telling them about this already. The police commissioner in Jamaica, for the most part, is, based on how the current laws are set up, is basically a job where you're going on and hope say you only get one eye them black and blue and three keep them to out. It's a losing battle. I'm just being honest. As Ironman set up now, the way Ironman legislation is now, the police commissioner is not a matter of how good they will do, it's a matter of they just don't do really that bad. It's a handicap. You're going in at a handicap. You not try ask man to make blood out of stone and that's how it work. You're asking commissioners to make blood out of stone. It show me say you don't understand how Jamaica really work to this day. And one day when I eventually get it and then I say, boy, no. This is why I can't wait for Billy Joe start make YouTube videos, because me need Billy Joe to start tell Jamaican people certain things. I wouldn't mind if Billy Joe went through my entire channel and just repeat everything I say. That way Jamaicans will accept it faster, because when the time I say things and then 6 months after them see it on something and say, it's a real thing, bro, come I watch this documentary and I see this fellow from Canada say, a real thing, when they say it, that's what I'm really hoping for. So, since we did not get it through in the head, me want Billy Joe come tell him this one day. The police commissioner's job is a job where you go in and minimize the amount of black and blue you get. No police commissioner now go in and nothing go fix no crime. None. Not with how Jamaica's legislation is set up. Police officers, whether it's the constable or the commissioner, does not write laws. They enforce the laws that are written. Let me say that one more time. Police commissioners, police officers, and we're talking about the one them who actually wanted them job now. We're not talking about the crooked one them. We're not talking about the one who got one them. We're talking about the man them actually serious about them job. The men and women in the JCF who are serious about them work. We're talking about them right now. They do not write laws, they enforce the laws that are written. That is why I put more pressure on the lawmakers. When you watch too much gun show and too much third world cop, that's how they say stupid things like that's why I really want them to make call Trinity or Adams, those commissioners go and shot everybody dog and then crime done. Entertainment driven. Cause it's entertaining, isn't it? That sounds so good. Just going on. Yeah, then everybody man go afraid that man couldn't end crime and in the police force. Now them are going to do it until them 30 years old and can barely walk. When man did in the police force, all of the man them on the claim said, did cut down crime, it is literally inaccurate. You can literally track the murder rate from go straight back to 1962. Right? These are narratives. Crime has risen consistently. Right? From 1962, give or take up years, you drop down the back and then go back up 1 year after that. I can challenge anyone, right, with the data and the evidence. That's not how you fight crime. A show that a third world copy I talk about, not real life. In real life, when they say a country get them hands or get a grip on crime, it fixed at the legislation level first and then the police go in after go scrape up. When El Salvador round up gangs and round up this, the police couldn't have done that without the lawmakers' actions. Police enforce law, then the right law. In a long line of police commissioners. Some are slightly better than others, some were borderline shaky. Many of them were actually people who know them stuff, but they didn't deliver much. They might have gotten a little 50 reduction here, a little 75 reduction here. The best period in Jamaican history for crime reduction happened after the SOE, right, where them dropped for the Tivoli incursion. Remember around that time there? Bruce Golding had a terrible record when it comes on to crime. I think he had back-to-back 1,600 murders. Years. But that SOE was a game changer. It was such a game changer that Theme Party benefit from it. I think murders fell to like 1,100 the year after. And then the government changed. And when the government changed over to PNP, they also benefited from it. This is how the myth came about that Peter Bunting knew how to fight crime. Because when it dropped to Peter Bunting as Minister of National Security, the figures were like down to like 1,100 or 1,000 and a little bit. That happened after the Tivoli incursion. These are facts. The Tivoli incursion happened. Then, an entire calendar year, murders dropped down to about 1,100. Started the new year, government changed, and murders kept low for about the next 2-3 years. Remember them time then, don't forget? Them did a call in every dawn, every 87. Yo, reporting a station. They were going after it. That was the hardest Jamaica ever go on crime. After the Tivoli incursion. And yes, Jamaica almost gone to 1,000. But as usual, them let them foot up. Right? Them ease off of the gas. Start tell themselves that them a big crime fighter. And them have this and see it. We're getting, next thing you know, gangs them just turn on back and go right back to where they were. Plus they never had the legislation in place for really sink the gangs anyway. So even the best SOE Jamaica has ever had when it comes on to crime fighting still never go under 1,000 because all of the money them hold on pan, all of the money them lock up, all of the money they on the run, when them do hold on pan them, right back into the streets. This is why I'm telling you, it start with legislation. It start with the laws them. It don't start with the police or the police commissioner. But let me tell you what the job of the police commissioner really is. It's not to drive around and shot everybody and everybody go free them like puss. Tell us want to watch too much John Wick. The police commissioner, when me as a police commissioner get office, what I'm looking for is for that police commissioner to first clean up the JCF. Removing many of its crooked elements. Of course, you never be able to remove 100%, but still too much about. And my biggest concern, and my biggest problem, and this is with every police commissioner, is when them say them a crap down upon corruption, it's usually be a constable and them people that get locked up. I'll tell you when we're ready for take police commissioner serious. How I will know a police commissioner is serious about cleaning up JCF is when you start to say be a soup, an assistant superintendent of this and that. When they say the high ranking police, them, the one them shaky, when they say them start get rounded up and kick out a JCF for corruption, they will personally tell them to say, Iron Man ready for the big leagues. Every time I say corruption, I just be a little constable. Be a corporate and them people. The soup and the big wigs them in a station, nothing no come out of it, nothing happen to them. Anytime I start to them tumble and fumble, me telling you personally, Iron Man is looking up better days for the JCF. Another job of the police commissioner is to improve the professionalism of the JCF officers. Strategies and tactics and them thing there. Yeah, that's what the police commissioner can do. But them thing there will only deliver so much and no more. Because at the end of the day, all of the strategy them, every plan where you make, every operation you make is to go hold on upon the 87. After you hold on upon the 87, you have to put him before the courts. You have to put him before the justice system. And if that is shaky, if that have too much loophole and too much weaknesses, then all the operations and planning don't mean nothing. This is why I tell them to say, it's not the police commissioner come change nothing in a hurry, man. Let me give you an analogy. So one can understand what I saw. You watch football, right? No care how you see the manager good. If he is to truly succeed, he must go to one club with a good infrastructure in place already. No care how Pep Guardiola good, no care how Alex Ferguson good, no care how Klopp and Ancelotti them good. Notice them got club with good infrastructure. The club have one training ground. The club have a director of football with know him a do. The club have this, and them can buy some players, and them can recruit the players. That's when Pep Guardiola and Alex Ferguson is alright, the infrastructure is there, the club is set up good, now me can win things. Don't kid yourself. Pep Guardiola and Alex Ferguson can win Champions League with every single team. Carlo Ancelotti is a Champions League winning manager, multiple Champions League winning manager, and he went to Everton and he never win nothing. Him never do nothing because Everton is not no well-run club like that. Them infrastructure not good like that. Them not set up good like that. Them can't do this and do this. So guess what? Ancelotti won nothing. Does that mean Ancelotti is a bug? Does that mean Ancelotti is useless? No, it doesn't. So he left Everton in Ghana over here, so start win again. That's how things look for the police commissioner. That's how things are enough jobs in Jamaica. Even if the man himself is capable, still need the tools. You need the baller them. You need to have the ability to get rid of some baller. I wonder if I understand how I'm going. So, remember when time Pep Guardiola got Man City? And him say, alright, Joe Hart can't be my keeper. And him get rid of Joe Hart. And people make up them nice. And so if you get rid of Joe Hart, that's how it work. Police commissioner have to go in and say, alright, you Soup, you're not good enough. Move. You Soup, you're crooked enough. Move. Right. If that can't go on, then nothing can change. And you can't win nothing. Your Jamaicans are too obsessed with the man, the individual. They don't pay enough attention to the machine. They don't pay enough attention to organization and structure. That's how they can't build nothing. They don't understand the importance of structure. Manchester United and Manchester City, Arsenal, these teams don't win nothing until them structured properly. This is why you see some fans that say, oh, certain man must come out of our club and left the club. And you say, why the fans them say that? Because the fans them know say structure matters. The organization matters. It's not just no one man. Even though Alex Ferguson get all the credit, Pep Guardiola get all the credit, the organizations them lead, they were well-oiled machines. If it was just the man, then send them go down. Right, a Wadada FC go make them win then. Send them go down a Boys Town and make them win then. Tell Pep Guardiola win the Club World Cup with Tivoli Garden FC then. Then we can talk. Tell Alex Ferguson win the Champions League. Make Burnley qualify for the Champions League and then make them win it. And then we'll talk. Organization matters. Structure of the organization matters. So the job of the police commissioner is to get that organization in line as best as he can, with the help of the Minister of National Security and the people there. Again, this is a team effort. If you want to something but Chang did asleep and I draw some big snore, then nothing I go done. And if Chang want to work and the police commissioner want to work, then nothing I go done. Too much emphasis is being placed on the man and not the machine. No care how your car engine good. If the transmission now work, on not go nowhere. You can put in a BMW sourced V12 engine, the same one from the original M1, and put it in the bossiest car you can find. If the transmission now work, you're not going anywhere. We need to start put more emphasis and more respect on structure, the organization, the collaboration. Police can go and lock up every man tomorrow morning. Police can go and lock up every 87 tomorrow morning and put them in front of the courts. Can go and lock up every 87 himself tomorrow morning. And within 48, 72 hours, must let them go again. Police commissioners and the high court judges. Police commissioner can't make 87 stay one day behind bar longer than him lawyer said to let him go. Not even one day. If you're going to catch man and lock up man and then carry man go in front of court only for the judge to send him back a road. You catch sci-fi with a legal possession of firearm, carry him go to the court, and then they say, yeah man, we finally hold on upon him with something now, look. Next Tuesday evening, you pass. Sci-fi that just say sit down on a Marchpen Road with the chalice, and I said, now sci-fi that. And I said, boy, we are up on the road. I must say, I mean, the judge can bail and some for on the road. What police can do? Nothing. Even in El Salvador, it wasn't the police who just get up one day and the sun decide to start work. They now had the legislation that allow them to do what they want to do. It comes down to reeling in them gang them. It starts with legislation first. Well, police commissioners and police officers need the tools to fight crime properly. And those tools are found in legislation. The outgoing police commissioner, Anderson. Again, my biggest problem with all police commissioners is that enough crooked cops don't get through out. Right? Them get to steer right through and go over multiple police commissioners. And when police get catch, when police officers get caught red-handed in a corruption, then just transfer them. They have to end that. Then just move round crooked cops from one place to the next. Then catch him at Hunts Bay crooked, then they send him down to Canton Spring. Then catch him at Canton Spring, being a crook, then they send him down to Spanish Town. Then they send him down to Mobile. Just pass around the feces. Right. Them no flush feces and then pass it round. Flush the feces. That in itself will deliver some results. That might drop it down from 1,400 murders down to maybe even 1,100. But if you really want to see gangs dismantled and some low crime numbers, a legislation will come from. So, best of luck to the police commissioner. But he made make sure they know him I do. Because playtime done. Wish him the best. From what I'm understanding, he's very well educated and also know what going on in the streets. Well, we will see. We will see. We will be the judge of that. The people will be the judge of that. But do not put too much emphasis on the title of police commissioner. Then can't make sci-fi stay one more day in a jail than he should. Then can't stop. Then can't hold on upon bigger crime and carry him before the court. Catch him with all 3 matic. And the judge said, go on the road, there's nothing the police commissioner can do. Right. This idea said, oh, yeah man, give them money so they can go in there. When them turn commissioner, they can just go in and shot everybody because gunman afraid of them. Tell them to watch too much third world cop. Anyway, I'm going to tell one of this stuff now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.